Protecting your identity. And today we're going to talk about how to freeze your credit and safeguard your financial future. This is going to be a simple guide to freezing and unfreezing your credit with Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Here are some reasons why freezing your credit is important. It prevents identity theft, stops thieves from opening new accounts in your name, protects without impacting current accounts. Your existing credit cards, loans remain unaffected. You control the access. Only you can freeze and unfreeze your credit report. So, when should you freeze your credit? If you've been a victim of identity theft, if your personal information has been compromised, or if you want extra security when you're not applying for new credit, when you may not need a credit freeze, when you frequent credit applications, if you're actively applying for loans, mortgages, or credit cards, or if you rely on other credit protection services or alerts. So, what's the cost of freezing credit? It's free for everyone. As of current laws, freezing and unfreezing your credit is free across all 50 states. Here are the steps you need to follow to freeze your credit with Equifax. And you can do it in one of three ways: online, phone, or by mail. Online, go to the website. By phone, call the phone number. By mail, that's the slowest way of doing it, but here's the address, and here is the information that's required. They will need your full name, address, social security number, date of birth, a photo ID, and a proof of address. Steps for freezing your credit with Experian. Pretty much the same thing. Three ways of doing it: online, phone, or by mail. I've listed the web address, the phone number, and the address for mail. They need the same information: full name, address, social security number, date of birth, a valid photo ID, and a proof of address. And here's the information to freeze your credit with TransUnion. Again, one of three ways, and here's the information for online, by phone, or by mail. They need the same information as the other two credit bureaus. Should you need to unfreeze your credit, you can do that either online or by phone. You will need the PIN or the password in order to unfreeze. And you can unfreeze either for a specific creditor or for a set time period. Here's what to expect after freezing your credit. You will receive a PIN or a password for future unfreezing. Make sure you store it securely. Certain entities can still access your credit, even though it's been frozen. And those are, for example, your existing creditors, debt collectors. You can still apply for jobs, apartments, or insurance. Just unfreeze temporarily if needed. Most of the time, you don't have to, only if you want to establish new credit. And just to wrap things up, freezing your credit equals strong protection. It's free, easy, and safeguards your identity. Keep your PIN secure. Remember, you control who can access your credit. Thanks for reading, watching, and listening. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments or contact me. I'm not that hard to find. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.